Hello guys. So today I want to show you how you can make money online for completely free. So today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $40 to $100 for completely free, but it have to require work, it have to require your effort and time. So you need to watch this video to the end, and I will show you step by step how it works and how you can go and start doing your own too. So the first website we are going to talk about today that you can go and start using to make money online, as you can see on the screen, is Upwork. So Upwork is a very simple freelance website that will allow you to create an account for free, and you will start making money from it. And it's a legit website, and it's a free way that you can go and start making free money online. So you create your account on Upwork. So once you have created your account on Upwork, it's very simple. They will give you 10 connect every month. This connect is something that you have to, there's a point that you can use to apply for a project. Let me say you can use to apply for a client project, and when your client accept your request, and you will now work with the person. Like, you can design, you can do photo editing, you can design website, you can do graphic design, and you can do WordPress website build, and you can do a lot of things. You can create logo, you can do landing page, you can do advertisement. If you have all those type of experience, if you can create logo and do all those type of design, you can make money with this method from um Upwork. As you can see, this person is going to pay you how much this person going to pay? Is going to pay you $30 to $50 for doing this work for them. So he say, hello, web design. I am a founder of let us see, I am a founder of agency, and I need help in developing a website for my company. It will be mainly about our portfolio as well as the operating profile. So you can read more about what the person wants you to do, and you can go and create the website or redesign the website for them, and they will pay you $30 to $50 on Upwork. So that is what you can do, and you can search for any type of category of work you want. You can find it on Upwork, and you apply, and you start making money once they accept you, or once they allow you to start working with them. You can see this person to website, new WordPress websites build, and they will pay you, as you can see, hourly $20 to $70 per working for them. As you can see, I am looking for a skilled web design help me build a WordPress website. Number of page, 10 page, look and feed. This is the type of website they want you to create, and you can look it. If you can help, please do not get in touch many times. So that is it, and if you can do this, you can just apply, and you are good to go. So that is what you can do. And the other way you can still make money with this method is to go to this website that is called Fiverr too. Fiverr is a place where you can create a gig, and you can start making money with that too. So you can see this is Fiverr. How you can get your Fiverr account created? You create your account, is very, very simple. Once you are done creating your account on Fiverr, then you can now start creating gigs. So Fiverr is different from Upwork, because Upwork you can just apply for work immediately, but on Fiverr you will create your work, and when the client see your work, they apply, they buy your work, they will make a purchase. If they place any order, you can complete the work for them. You can do like web design, logo design, banner design, and all those kind of things on Fiverr. And when people buy all those gigs from you, you are going to be making money. So that is how it works. So yeah, that is how it works, and that is how you can make money on Fiverr. You create your gig on Fiverr, and you will start making money, and you can refer people to Fiverr too. You can make money with this method. It is very, very simple. So that is the second way you can make money with Fiverr, and you can even charge more. You can charge up to $40, $10 to $100, depending on how experienced or expert your work is. So the other website that you can still use to make money is freelance. Just search for freelance. Search for freelancer. Search for freelancer, you will find this website, install it, and create your account. So once you create your account on freelancer, as you can see, there's a lot of job that is available that you can do on freelancer, and you will get paid. As you can see, this person said, I need a developer. It will pay you $250 to $750. So you can see this person, he need a Jama into English. So they want you to translate some document in from German to English. So you can do that $15 to $25. You can see this person that will pay you 12,500 rupees, which is Indian money. They can pay you that. You can see this person say, build me a website for $30 to $200 for building a website for this person. So you keep on going. You can see what you can do on freelancer. You can see a lot of things. You can do logo design, any type of thing. You can do it on freelancing. Freelancer. So as you can see here, those are gigs, and that is my they'll tell me that they have verified my account. And yeah, that is how freelancer works. So all you just need to do is to go and apply for the program, and you are good to go to start making money with this website. So that is the three websites that you can go and start using to make free money online for completely free as a freelancer. So you see that you can make up to 300 more than $300 for just doing this work, depending on the time, depending on how expert and effort you put to do the work for your client. So this is a freelance tutorial. So I hope that it helped you, and I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope that what you learn, you can go and start using the method now to start making free money online. So I will say thank you very much. If it helped you, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and like this video. And I'll say thank you very much, and peace, and see you soon, and bye bye.